All right, so we got our carburetors back from Carburetor Rescue out in Arizona, and one look at these and the first thing that I'm thinking is, wow, they look brand new. These carburetors, I mean, all the hardware is plated, springs are replated, the rods are plated. I mean, this looks like a brand new brass valve here. I mean, this looks really, really nice. What they did is they machined the bases, so now it's just all one flat, even surface. You can see how they're originally warped, because see how the machine missed that little spot right there? It's even worse. Actually, this one actually shows it more. See how the machining edge missed this area? It's a different color, and same thing with this area. It's a different color, which is fine because our sealing edge is right around this circumference right here, right around this hole. You know, that's what's gonna keep this from popping. They installed brand new bronze throttle shaft bushings. This one is also updated to their style of, instead of a split shaft, now it is a solid shaft. The bracketry of the split shaft is made out of pot metal, and it wears as it ages. And it's very difficult to keep them in tune. So where it used to be a really nice thing to have a split shaft, it became problematic as the carburetors aged and wore on. This is now converted to a solid shaft, but it still has all the other characteristics that the split shaft has. So this carburetor still has which the solid shaft doesn't have. It has the idle circuit, the mid circuit, and the high circuit. So it has, you know, this nice transition of smoothness. And our split shafts won't go out of adjustment because there is no split shaft anymore. So these carburetors are dialed in, ready to go on the 68912.